Um, okay, I think this is the third away match in short time, in 3 weeks, traveling. The last two, it was 1 draw and 1 loss. I think the Persebaya, I think we played good. We only had to play with 10 players, and the last game was, of course, a game with the suspension of 1 hour of the rain, and it was almost impossible, I think, to play our football second half. So it means that today is the third away game, and although we miss quite a number of players, Messidoro, Jaja, Nick, Noah, Rafael, they stayed back in Jakarta. I believe that we will have a team on the pitch tomorrow that is able to win the game.
Oke, dia rasa ini adalah 3 pertandingan away di 3 minggu terakhir, dan 2 terakhir kita 1 draw, 1 kalah. Terus Persebaya kita main bagus tapi harus main dengan 10 pemain. Terus lawan Kediri pertandingannya ditunda karena hujan. Jadi setelah itu sangat tidak mungkin untuk dia bisa main dengan cara pemainnya dia. Terus beberapa pemain juga nggak bisa datang. Ada Nick, Noah, Messi, Jaja, Rafael tidak bisa datang, tinggal di Jakarta. Tetapi dia percaya ada tim yang bisa menang untuk pertandingan besok.
Eu creio que nós estamos preparados para o jogo de amanhã. Estamos treinando forte. Como o treinador falou, o jogo passado foi um pouco difícil pelo campo, mas já pude ver que o campo aqui está muito bom, então tenho certeza que a nossa equipe vai performar bem, vai jogar bem, vai fazer o que nós treinamos, colocar em prática a nossa tática e o nosso futebol. Tenho certeza que faremos o nosso melhor amanhã.
Oke, dia rasa kita sudah siap, kita sudah kumpulkan kekuatan juga, dan dia rasa sulit ya pertandingan terakhir karena lapangan juga tidak bagus. Tapi dia lihat tadi lapangan bagus, jadi dia yakin kita bisa perform dengan baik. Juga sudah latihan sesuai dengan taktik yang diinginkan oleh pelatih. Jadi dia yakin besok kita bisa memainkan sepak bola dengan cara kita.
Baik, terima kasih.
Okay, coach. First he said thank you for the opportunity to ask you, and then he said Dewa United have players. Have players with national team level, and PSM didn't have a good track record when they play at home. Do you think it's an advantage for Dewa United or disadvantage for PSM? Those statements.
I understand the question, and I think good players is one, but you see in teams like Liverpool, they bought, I don't know for how many money they get players, but it was not necessary that they now will be the champion. So it's at the end you also have to have even in football more important good team. And to be honest, I think we have a good team. I think we have a very solid team. I think the boys, they are coachable, they develop. Only I think that we have new players now to the squad, and we did our job now, which we should have done in the summer. And so I think at the end we are ready to perform. But okay, it's what I said, the last 2 matches were not in my judgment in how we can play because of the circumstances. But I think tomorrow there's not a lot of excuse.
Oke, dia mengerti pertanyaannya, dan pemain bagus itu satu. Terus kalau kita lihat Liverpool, kan belanja pemain dia banyak dan bagus-bagus, tapi dia nggak langsung bisa jadi juara. Kita bisa lihat sekarang. Terus kalau harus punya, yang penting itu apa? Adalah punya tim yang bagus, tim yang solid. Terus dia yakin juga anak-anak bisa karena dia sudah lihat di latihan, karena ada perkembangan juga. Dan kita bisa lihat ada pemain baru juga di Dewa United, dan harusnya ini yang harus kita lakukan di musim panas kemarin. Harusnya ada persiapan. Terus juga dia nggak bisa menilai pertandingan terakhir karena lingkungannya. Tetapi kalau dia lihat lingkungan di sekarang, besok semestinya tidak ada alasan. Coach PSM have the captain cannot play for tomorrow game, and actually he's the starting in the defense squad of PSM. So the question is, what do you think PSM without Joran Fernandes?
Yeah, but I know he's a important player. I mentioned we also have 5 players who cannot play. And in this phase, I think that can be important in these games. But I think that PSM has a good team. I think what they suffered was injuries and suspensions. They had a time that they had 4 losses in a row, but also the main players were not playing. And I think what PSM has now, that most of the players are back. Only the center defender, he's not there. But I think what they did in the last weeks is slowly bringing back everybody, suspensions, injuries. So I think they have a full squad without one player.
Oke ya, mengerti pertanyaannya, dan PSM dia tahu kaptennya nggak bisa main, dan dia udah sebutkan juga Dewa bahkan ada 5 yang tidak bisa main. Dan di fase ini bisa jadi penting. Kita tahu PSM ada tim yang bagus, di beberapa pertandingan terakhir banyak pemainnya yang cedera, kena larangan bermain, terus akhirnya ada 4 kali kekalahan. Terus sekarang kalau kita lihat hampir semua pemainnya sudah kembali, cuman center back-nya saja tidak ada. Jadi kalau kita bisa sebutkan sebenarnya PSM ini besok juga full squad seperti itu.
Okay. Thank you, Coach.
Ya,
It's okay.